All right, in this video, we are going to build up this Schwinn Moab with parts for my part bin. It's gonna be a parts bin Schwinn. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is a Schwinn Moab frame. They are similar to the Schwinn Homegrowns, but made by Schwinn. Have a different chainstay yoke. And then I've actually got the XT wheel set that went with the Schwinn Homegrown. It's got a nice Mavic, some nice Mavic rims, and then I've got LX 8-speed. I've got an XT 8-speed rear and 8-speed front derailleur. Got some Avid V brakes we'll put on this. LX crank set. I've got some really old Ori grips that are black. I've got ones in other colors that are okay, but these ones, this is why I put nickels in the end so that the bars don't blow out the ends of the Ori grips. But this bar that I've chosen has some red bar end stops, so that actually works out okay. Got a basic stem, a basic Tioga Alchemy headset, an Advocate or Avocet O2 saddle. And then I've been going back and forth between the Judy XC or the Marzocchi Z2 Atom 80. And I think we'll go with the Marzocchi. I may or may not change my mind. But yeah, let's get building. This should be a pretty quick build. I'm not as concerned about getting everything pristine. This is a parts bin build. And really when I start riding, it's gonna get dirty anyway. This build will actually be a good late 90s XC race build, but more of an entry-level build. We're gonna be XT LX mix. That bomber's gonna feel good. This bike's gonna be a little heavier than maybe some of my other 90s XCs, but should be a pretty awesome bike. This isn't fitting because it's ovalized at the bottom. So I need a derailleur that sits up here. I think I have one. Not XT. It's an LX. So as soon as I got this XT derailleur on, after putting the LX on, we've got LX cranks, we're gonna have LX shifters. I thought, I need an 8-speed LX derailleur. It's not an OCD thing, it's just, I actually really like the 8-speed LX, and it just seems right. And then actually I can keep this XT to maybe go with that XT front derailleur. So we're gonna swap the XT for an LX. It was cool when it was XT, and now this is super cool with LX. I guess we've got XT wheels. LX wheels would be cool too. I love the black hubs on the 8-speed LX group set. There we go. Those Ori grips are moving too easily. I need a different plan. Okay, I'm gonna put new Ori grips on it because I don't have anything else. I have some blue, I have some orange used Ori grips. They'll just look dumb on this. So, some new Ori grips. These were the brakes that were already on this, and I'm trying to reuse the cable because it was pretty much good to go before it was taken off when I parted this thing out.
Trusting your instincts, realize that knowing looks different to each. When living authentic, do more exploring, deeper than knowing just what is essential for life that is thriving. Go deep, mute out the chatter, feel it, burn off the fire, let go until there's peace to your core. Live a life you adore. From the program, removing performance, true self, all that's standing. Live free from worry, live by just being. Power and finding your wholeness in now. Go deep, mute out the chatter. Live a life you adore.
Thanks for following along with me on the build of this 1997 Schwinn Moab. I think with the parts on it, it's actually a pretty sweet ride. I really like the colorway, how everything matches. The LX components actually, I think, look a little better, and I kind of want some LX black hubbed wheels to go on this, just to top it off a little bit more. It's a cool ride. I appreciate all of you watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, look for opportunities to give those old things new life, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.
Goldie, mute out the chatter, feel it, burn off the fire, let go until there's peace to